fractions is equal to 1, okay, then use substitution. Okay, in that case always use substitution. Why? Because in this case we can simply write x is equal to 6. This 3y will take on other side, this will become minus 3y. Okay, if there was a coefficient of x here, let's say that there was a coefficient of x 5, then I would need to move this 5 on the other side and I would get fractions, and this is not, of course, not desirable. Okay, so create an equation in x, then to express the x in terms of y, I would have fractions then, and this is something that I really don't want. So as long as our coefficient of one of the variables in one of the equations is equal to 1, it means that there is no coefficient, we can use substitution. So in this particular example we can definitely use substitution, and as I said, we are going to use this substitution. We are going to use x is equal to 6 minus 3y right here. So this means that 2 into 6 minus 3y. Okay, so what I am doing is I am substituting x right here plus 8y is equal to minus 12. So this become 12 minus 6y plus 8y is equal to minus 12. Now this minus, notice that we have to keep as is, we cannot really change the value of that that minus. This means that there is a 2y minus 6 plus 8 means 2y is equal to minus 24, and this would mean that our y is equal to minus 12. Now this I can substitute the value of y in this equation and I would get x is equal to 42. Now this is the equation we have solved using substitution. We will take another